Public AI tools can be amazing for drafting emails, brainstorming, or summarizing reports. But entering sensitive client or company data can create serious security risks. Most public AI models use your inputs to train their systems. A single mistake could expose private client information, company strategy, or proprietary code. Here are 6 practical strategies to safely use AI while protecting your business data. Create a clear AI security policy defining what data can't be shared. Use business-grade AI accounts that ensure your data isn't used to train public models. Implement data loss prevention tools to block sensitive information before it's uploaded. Run hands-on training so employees know how to create safe AI prompts. Regularly review AI usage logs to catch risks and foster a security-minded culture where everyone protects data. Keep your data safe, minimize risk, and empower your team to use AI wisely. Start your secure AI journey. Contact us today.